whatever is, be it pornography, be it drugs, be it swearing, be it time wasting, be it laziness, be it fraud, be it whatever bad habit or you think or negative act you have, it's not difficult to get rid of it. Understand that. Only you need to know the technique and the method. It's then easy. If you don't know, it is difficult. So all you need to take whatever, okay, if I am tempted to drugs, I have to fight the temptation for so many times until it gets out of my system. That's all what I have to do. Then for life I am free. If I have this urge of watching pornography, I have to stop from it for a certain number of times. After that urge will go. It will be there, but it won't be compulsive. It won't be, actually you may say, forcing me. It won't become addiction. It will not be a habit anymore.